no! Fire! Ah! Fire! Finn, time to wake up. Coming, Mom.
I did not sleep well.
Are you okay, Mom?
I'm just tired, sweetie. It's a busy week.
I'm going to the store. I'll be back soon. Bye, kids.
Bye, Dad.
I think I will rest for a little while.
Nora, I want to make Mom something special. What is it? I want to make pancakes for Mom. A surprise breakfast. Yes, I want to help. I've seen Mom do this many times. It's easy. Careful, Nora. Don't spill it. Oops, ha ha ha. Nora. Be careful. It's okay. Let's keep going. Shh, Rusty. This is a secret. Now we need oil. Is it ready?
Almost. I think it needs more heat.
Let's get the pancake mix. Whoa, that's a lot of smoke.
That's not normal.
Fire! Oh no! Fire! 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 Mom! Mom! Wake up! What's wrong?
Fire! Finn made a fire! Finn, step back! Now! I'm sorry, Mom. We'll talk later. Move back. Is everyone okay?
I'm okay. I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't mean for this to happen.
What happened here?
Finn tried to make pancakes. The oil caught fire.
Are you hurt?
That's what matters most. Things can be fixed. You cannot be replaced.
Finn, why did you turn on the stove?
I wanted to surprise you. You looked so tired.
That is very sweet. But the stove is not for kids. Fire is dangerous. You could have been hurt badly.
Never turn on the stove alone. Never leave hot oil without watching it. Always ask an adult first.
I understand now. I'm sorry. I won't touch the stove again without you. I'm sorry too. I helped make the mess.
Thank you for telling Mom fast. That was very brave.
Let's clean the kitchen together.
Now, how about we make pancakes together?
The right way. Really?
Medium, not high. And always stay close.
Thank you for wanting to surprise me. Next time we do it together.
Deal, Mom.